So girls, here is where we'll come after eating at Fernando's on the 9th. I wish the lake were higher for you all, but at least you'll get to see the green spaces that aren't actually very green right now. You've seen videos where it's very green, and you all have seen videos I've done where the water is a lot higher in the lakes, but gosh, this is sad. And then there are the cows. We'll take a picture of Shannon up on one of those cows. I love that tree over there. I've sat under it before, and the wind rustles through the leaves, and it's so nice.